Yeah, I want to go to Star Mall Talisay. Where can I go? So, how can I go?
Yubak, ano yan? Okay.
Excuse me, señorito. What is this place?
Ha?
What is this place? Because
Tongkok.
I'm going to Talisay City Star Mall.
Kailo na ka?
Come again, sir. ¿Cómo te sientes? Español. I'm not live here. I'm from.
Talisay tayo ito.
So where can I go?
Tongkok pre. Tongkok.
I lose my way. Come again, sir. No entiende, señorito. No entiende. Do you speak English?
Eh.
English.
Talisay, Star Mall.
Yeah, I want to go to Star Mall Talisay. Where can I go? So, how can I go?
Yubak, ano yan? Okay. Ano na boss? Ano? Ito.
Come again, sir. Español.
Espanyol, no? Espanyol.
Yeah. No entiende, señorito. No entiende. Bisaya.
Pagsaya.
Yeah. So I'm going to
Talisay, Star Mall.
So where can I go? Talisay Star Mall.
You turn there.
So I can turn this way. Maybe how many minutes there?
Wala sa flight?
How many minutes there I can go to?
20 minutes. Ano yun?
20 minutes?
30 ba?
So doon rito layo ra.
Layo.
Gablog. Gablog ka.
Vlog.
Lagun sa Andre.
Ilan tayo, volleyball.
Naka sticker ra. Ano mo sticker?
Volleyball na tayo.
Kada mo sticker. Ito na ka. Sticker guys, posting ah.
Kabuan.
Selamat na. Señorito, sir, may I ask a question, sir? I'm looking for the route going to Talisay Star Mall. Where? Talisay Star Mall, where? I'm sorry, hablo un poco de español. Yeah. So where can I go? Come again, sir. I don't understand it. No entiende, señorito, español. So what is this place? So where can I go to going to Talisay City? Where?
Layo.
What, sir? Come again, do you speak English, sir? Because I'm Espanol. So where can I go? So mo dito ako dito. Toyok ako. Ka-vlog.